Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the oil in your classic C4 Corvette, and I'm gonna show you all the hints and tips to make the oil change easier and safer and better, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's start with the inventory. First we need the 14mm ratchet wrench, new oil, I prefer mineral or Dino oil against the synthetic, new oil filter, drain plug gaskets, carpet under the car, drain pan, the brake cleaner, and some shop rack. Before I started with the oil change, I decided to warm up the car, so I enjoying driving my C4 Corvette for about 30 kilometers or a few miles, and then I stopped the car, waited for around 30 minutes and started to undo the drain plug. And okay, now I have to be careful because it can shoot out the oil, which I don't want to. So I'm going to raise the catch pan like this, and yeah, that's it. Release the drain plug. It doesn't matter that it falls down. Okay, so here we are a couple of minutes later, and now we have to release the filter, and it's pretty tight. But it's really got stuck. This will be tough. It comes loose. Okay. So now let's be careful. And as you can see, this filter is lower than a Y pipe in here. So I'm going to replace it for a shorter filter because I'm just afraid that I'm going to catch it somewhere. So just be very careful not to drop the filter into the ground because I don't want to spill more oil than I want to. So it's just my... It's good to have gloves. And I'm holding the filter with both hands. Okay, it's in the end. Oops. Perfect. Okay. This was almost mess-free. And now it's good to have the shop rack like this. The old shop rack where you can simply clean up your gloves. Now I'll just wait to leave the last drops, and then I'm going to plug back the oil drain plug and put the filter, the new one obviously. And after the refreshing coffee break, I decided to hunt down my drain plug somewhere in the drain pan in the very elegant and distinctive way. Ah, there you are. Wasn't very clever. I got her. Got her. Just don't pull her down. This thing is really great for doing these things. Okay, so let's put the new gasket on the drain plug. You can find the drain plug type and size in the description of the video. And I bought about, I guess, 30 pieces, so $10. Every time I'm going to replace the oil, I'll replace the gasket on the drain plug. Now let's prepare the new oil filter. And the dab on the seal. Okay. Amazing fact. Today, the average filter is designed to catch particles in the range of 25 to 30 microns. The average human hair is usually 67 microns in diameter. That should give you an idea as how well your oil is being filtered. Ain't it amazing? Okay, now let's go back to the oil change. Just like that. Just pull back the oil filter. Now just tighten it by the hand. Just like that. Now back to the drain plug. I put fresh oil here on the drain plug seal too, because the inner portion of the seal is made from rubber. Let's put it back. Okay, I'm just going to snug tight the oil drain plug. And just like that, just a bit of squeeze for the inner rubber portion of the seal. Just once again. Perfect. Okay, so the drain plug is in place, the filter is in place, and now I'm going to put the oil, new oil in here. And the oil capacity for the L98 is 5 quarts, which is 4.7 liters. Okay. Okay. I'm just going to use Lucas engine oil stop leak, and I'm not going to use the wool bottle. I'm just going to use it as the additive to the oil because the engine hasn't been rebuilt. It doesn't leak, but I'm using it just the prevention. This thing is really thick. Plug back the oil filler cap. And so this was the oil replacement on my C4 Corvette. Now I'm going to warm up the car to the operating temp, then shut it down, check the dipstick and check for the oil leaks somewhere from under the car. And if everything will be okay, I'm going for a long drive. If you like my video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and check my Patreon. Thanks for watching.